Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to Review Kitchens, where we break down the best kitchen gadgets just for you. Today, we're diving into the Oster air fryer oven, a 10-in-1 countertop toaster oven that's as stylish as it is functional. So, let's see what makes this oven a must-have for your kitchen. First things first, the Oster air fryer oven looks like it stepped right out of a high-end kitchen magazine. With its sleek stainless steel French doors, it's not just an appliance, it's a statement piece. And those doors? They open with a single pull, super convenient when your hands are full. Now, let's talk about size. This oven is extra large. It can fit a 15x12-inch baking pan, a whole chicken, or even 2 large pizzas. Perfect for big families or those who love hosting dinner parties. To make it easier for you, I've included a link to the website where you can buy it at the best price. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a 10-in-1 cooking powerhouse. You can air fry, slow cook, bake, dehydrate, broil, roast, warm, and more. It even has a turbo convection mode for faster, more even cooking. Whatever you want to cook, this oven can handle it. The Oster air fryer oven is designed to be energy efficient. It preheats up to 40% faster and uses up to 50% less energy than conventional ovens. Not only will you save time, but you'll also save on your energy bill. That's a win-win. The digital controls on this oven make it super easy to set the perfect cooking time and temperature. Plus, with the auto shutoff timer, you don't have to worry about overcooking your meals. The interior light is a nice touch too, allowing you to check on your food without opening the doors. This oven comes with all the accessories you need: an air fry rack, broil rack, baking pan, and a crumb tray. Everything is removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Positive points: stylish design with stainless steel French doors. Extra large capacity for big meals. 10 cooking functions for versatile meal prep. Energy efficient with faster preheat times. Precise digital controls with an auto shutoff timer. Easy cleanup with removable, dishwasher-safe accessories. Negative points: large footprint might take up more counter space. Learning curve with so many functions and presets. Should you buy it? So, should you add the Oster air fryer oven to your kitchen arsenal? Absolutely. It's stylish, versatile, and efficient. Everything you need in a countertop oven. Whether you're a cooking novice or a seasoned chef, this oven will make your life easier and your meals tastier. That's it for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Review Kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed and honest kitchen gadget reviews. See you next time.